On March 20, 1995, a doomsday cult named Aum Shinrikyo carried out a coordinated attack on the Tokyo subway system during rush hour. 5 terrorists released sarin, a toxic nerve gas, in 3 trains, killing 13 people and injuring over 50 others. The attack caused widespread panic and led to a massive response from the police and emergency services. The cult's leaders, including its guru Shoko Asahara, were later arrested and sentenced for their role in the attack. The Tokyo Subway Sarin Attack shocked Japan and led to nationwide discussions about terrorism and the need for better anti-terrorism measures.